Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This time it's an Hisense. Whoa! I hate this trademark. Yeah, usually it's TVs not to be repaired, and if they are repaired, it's a pain in the butt to repair all this stuff. Usually they glue all the stuff, they use the worst LEDs in the market. I don't know, it's to make cheaper product, and customer buy a TV. I don't know, in 5 years he's buying a new TV. So okay, the TV has standby. Let me press the power button. Oh, okay. So what is doing? Huh? Well, I saw Hisense logo. And let me grab the remote. Is this working? Well, honestly, I don't know if this is working or not. Looks like it's working, the TV. Let me see if I can. Oh shit, hold on. So I'm pressing the remote and the TV. Is this why we don't have standby? I now get stuck in standby. So this reminds me one TV that I had a Hisense. Well, definitely now it's stuck on standby. You guys can see it standby? No, you can't. It's too far away. You guys can't see the standby, right? So let me put the TV standby more close to you guys. There's a red light. So it's stuck. Now it's stuck on standby. What? Why this remote doesn't work? This is an Hisense. I'm not seeing Vida or Viva or whatever the OS they have it. I'm not seeing shit. So wait a minute. So the remote, this remote doesn't work in here. It's an Hisense. Oh, interesting. The remote doesn't work, and it's an official Hisense. So do we have something in here? Can I see something? Yes, I can. Now I can see something. So the TV is running, I think, because this has optical. The TV has optical. This is what, a 39 inch. Yeah, I'm seeing in here some picture in there. So I think it's LEDs, guys. This is from 2018, so 6 years. And the model H39N2110C. It's gonna be backlights, guys. I'm pretty sure that it's backlight, but I don't get it why the original remote doesn't work. Well, let's do some quick testings. At least this should have at least 3 bars, I think. It's a 39 inch. It's not common in these days, a 39. It's more common than a 40, 43, 47. Such a recent TV already dead. It was cheap, so if it's cheap, why you wanna repair a TV? Buy another one, right? I think I'm gonna do the same strat as always, which is unplugging the LED, checking the current on the output, and then using the LED tester. Okay, this needs to be removed. Oh. It doesn't look like an LED problem. Not anymore. It could be a LED problem, but look at this. You guys can't see it for sure. Even if I zoom, no, you can't. Look at these caps. Both caps are bulk, at least, and could be only that. Yeah, that caps are fucked, for sure. And I think they are, yeah, they are close to the circuit. Good. So guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna I'm gonna remove the main board. I'm gonna switch these caps and see what will happen, because I don't think we have a short in here. We have a dial in here. We have a big dial in here, and we have a two regulators in here. This one seems okay. What about this dial? Seems okay. This is okay. Fair enough. This is the BIOS. So this could be fixed in the same day. Let's hope. There's a lot of stuff to be removed to remove the PCB. Shit. Ouch. Okay. Now we need to remove this very caution. At least I don't want to break anything. Because if you break something in here, you are screwed, man. You don't find any connectors for this shit for sure. It's Xiaomi, man. I don't believe. No, this is an Hisense. Even this, if you break something, you are screwed, man. Okay, this one is out now. Let's remove this bigger boy. With caution, extra caution, because this is the screen. Let's not bend pins, because after that this is gonna be a pain too. Okay, so we have the PCB. Let's go to the bench. So we have the caps in here, and I ordered a backlight set too, because I don't know if the backlights will be okay or not. Yeah, these two caps are completely let me start recording on the scope. Okay, as you can see, they are both. So, and these ones, they are from the backlight circuit. So that means, let me remove this. I don't need this cable. Okay, let me. Okay, so grab this iron. We need more light in here. Yeah, so both caps are bad. Okay, so we need to remove this. Where I have a tweezer to help me. So I need to remove all. Okay. There's one in here, so I hate this crap. Don't get me wrong. Okay, so probably it's better to remove all the stuff. I'm removing these clips. Okay. We still have one left, right? Yeah, we still have one left. It's in the corner. Okay, he's out. Definitely it's more easy to work now. So the caps are here. Okay, so these are the two caps that I'm gonna replace. Okay. So I'm gonna grab the one side and this is how I will replace them. Well, to at least remove them. I'm trying to remove them. This is not easy. Okay, one is out. I'm grabbing the second. Okay, both caps are out. Let me clean this. Probably I will use Wicked. Can't see shit. Let me. Okay, it's better without let's try to clean. So now we just need to place the new ones. Okay, so the minus, well, it's still not clean as it should be. So let me use a needle. This side is fine. Yes. Gosh darn it. So let me place this side first. Well, I think I'm gonna need an extra help from the iron. Oh no, I don't need it. So both caps are, these caps are 63 volts, 100 microfarads. Okay, let's solder. Well, let's see if this will activate the backlights. If not, well, I had a LED kit and we changed the LED too, because this one needs to be replaced. So let's find out, guys, if we have a fully functional TV or we're gonna dig to the LEDs. So I'm gonna place the main board to the chassis. Okay, this and this. Come on, cooperate with me. Okay, let's add some screws in here. Well, this goes here, this goes here, so let me grab this, goes to ground, this is a ground point. Well, I'm gonna place one in here. Yeah, let me place one on the upper corner. Well, let's place all screws. Let's hope we don't need to remove the main board. So let's find out if we have. I think we had an okay TV. Don't get me wrong. I could be. Okay. Let's place this. Power cord. It's disconnected. Okay, so I will plug to the power now and see. Okay, the standby is present, so let me press the power button, which is here. Will we have backlights? Yes, we have it. Although the backlights look blue, don't get me wrong. That's why I think it's better replace the backlights. It's stable. It is. Let me turn the TV. I don't know if this is the normal color. You know what I mean? Does this work in here? No. I need an Hisense remote. Does this works? No, I have an original Hisense and doesn't work in this model. Fuck. Let me see if I have something in here. Well, I'm gonna program the remote to this TV. Okay, I have the remote ready, so pressing the power. What? Okay. So this looks normal, don't get me wrong. Looks normal. I have backlights. I could replace the backlights. I don't know, honestly. I don't know if I will replace the backlights. It looks like bluish. I have a similar, I think I have a same model, another TV. And I'm gonna, yeah, I'm gonna pick that TV and see if, I don't know the problem what it is in the other TV. But I wanna see if they are not so bluish, they look blue. You know what I mean? There's no LEDs blue. Definitely, probably are dying. So I will keep this running and I will add some extra stuff to the video for sure. Probably I will replace the LEDs, I don't know. Let me see the other model what we'll have and how the display give us the backlights. Don't get me wrong, it's not terrible, but I know. Well, so far so good, but let me turn off, turn on. Yeah, I know the logo is blue, but yeah, I have doubts in here. I have the backlight sets in here for this TV because before I ordered the caps, I ordered the backlight sets because, well, the caps blow up could be something related to the LEDs, because it's on the same rail, and if they are on the same rail, sometimes that shit happens or breaks the IC, the backlight, the driver or something. And I have it, the backlight sets in here. I don't know if I will replace it or not. Let's find out. if nothing added to the video, guys, that means that the only job made in here, it was that two caps. But the TV is from 2018 and it's an Hisense. Usually backlights are shitty. Usually. I don't know how many backlights does this TV has. So there's the backlights. I'm removing the backlights, so the backlights are here for this model. I will work with the other one and see how the picture goes. If the picture is better, eventually I will replace them. If not, well guys, GG, it's fixed. I'm gonna add the extra because yeah, two caps only. Probably the other one has the same fault. It will be hilarious. It is the same fault, but there we go, two caps. GG. Turn off. Well guys, I see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.